Danke bafethu, welcome to Nkuli Soccer. What a weekend for ama-South African teams bafethu bewadlala laphana kuma-CAF competitions. CAF Champions League nge-CAF Confederations Cup. Mamelodi Sundowns iwine 5-1, i-Kaizer Chiefs idrowe North, i-Orlando Pirates ishawe 3-0, Stellenbosch isidrowe North. Soqala ngalento le ukuthi Wednesday or during the week ayadlala ama-team wase-South Africa. So obviously-ke siyazi ukuthi ngeke kube easy because of kumele baplane for ama-matches wange-weekend. Obviously singadebate ukuthi phela nge-22 bafowethu Orlando Pirates idlala nePolokwane City laphana e-Orlando Stadium, iSteelers sidlala ne-Arrows laphana e-Athlone, and then i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala neSiwelele laphana e-FNB. Kusho ukuthi isikhathi sokurest asikho for ama-South African teams, lama-team lawa amakhulu adlala ku-continental level, so ngeke kube lula at all bafowethu. Nokubona kwamanye ama-country bayawapostpone ama-game because of i-CAF ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi bona baqualifye, but ku-PSL kuyapostpone. But hhayi ku-PSL phela, ku-PSL awupostpone nje, awuzenzeli, uyacela bayi-approve or bayi-decline, but khona i-team epostponelwa kakhulu but asikho lapho kwamanje. I-Orlando Pirates they have to come back from i-3-0, kumele bashaye 4 goals. Hhayi kuzoba nzima kakhulu bafethu. Well, they're not good in terms of chasing the game. Imagine you are chasing the game, they catch you ku-counter, but yeah, I think bangakwazi ukuwasha amagoli laphana e-Orlando, but it would take something really special ukuthi bashaye 4 goals bangaconcede nelilodwa, kuzoba nzima. But yabo imatch e-Orlando Pirates bafethu, le idodwe team labantu laba balazi ibhola, badlala ngenkani. So even khona nale goli labalishayile balimaza umdlali we-Orlando Pirates, uRevla zange ajaja, play on, bashaya, and then that was a goal. So I mean, they have to show aggression abadlali base-South Africa, bangabi lula. Same naba-Kaizer Chiefs badlale nabantu ababonisa i-aggression but abalazi ibhola. So it was surprising ukubona i-Orlando Pirates bayishaya 3-0. Angifuni ukuqamba amanga but sobona bazokwazi ukubuya ekhaya. 3-0 is not gonna be easy bafethu, kuzoba nzima ukuthi bashaye 4 goals but sobona sibafisela inhlanhla. Mamelodi Sundowns obviously-ke bona they've qualified, but ucoach wabo uMiguel Cardoso uthe they still have to fight, they still have to score goals, izinto ezinjalo. Kusho ukuthi nje uprofessional ufuna ukuqhubeka make sure ukuthi i-team yakhe ithola ama-results overall. Kaizer Chiefs-ke Wednesday njengoba bengishilo 7:30 laphana nge-22 October izodlala neSiwelele FC e-FNB Stadium. Sobona ukuthi izoya all out for leyo game leyo or izoresta abanye for imatch enkulu yange-weekend overall laphana, because iSiwelele FC akusiyi-team angithi abangayiplanela kakhulu, akusiyi-team abangathi baya all out. I-team vele nayo istruggle too much, but maybe ngafuna ukuvuka nge-Kaizer Chiefs, but kuzoya nge-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi izoplana kanjani for le game le, because of in a way must win for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi babuyisele kuma-winning ways laphana eligini. For iSiwelele FC nabo-ke must win ukudlala ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi babe nalowo boost ukuthi siyakwazi ukushaya i-Kaizer Chiefs ba-collect i-maximum points laphana e-FNB Stadium. Sobona ukuthi igame izoshape kanjani, ngeke ibe lula. Potentially-ke singabona ama-player amaningi amasha available for i-Kaizer Chiefs, maybe singakwazi ukuwabona against iSiwelele FC or even ovele baye no-Batman, because siyazi ukuthi ba-cleared ukuthi badlale but azange ba-travela ku-continental level, which is i-CAF Confederations Cup for i-Kaizer Chiefs overall laphana. Before ngimuve la phambili ngifuna ukuthi congratulations umfana laphana e-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu, uDonay Jansen lo oshaya igoli lakhe laphana ku-DDC team. Umfana lona ube nama-struggles wakhe laphana ku-professional setup because Kaizer Chiefs bembone ku-SuperSport United, but yeah udlala lapha ku-DDC team manje, but is part of i-senior team, registered as a senior player, but-ke kunzima phela ku-senior team, but ulaphana ku-DDC team, ugaina i-match fitness, udlala nabo, uthola ama-minutes. Yeah, cause ukore immediately mababuye laphana ku-second half, ngathi wakwazi uku-equalizer for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Gayton McKenzie, Minister of Sports and Arts and Culture also uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-team enkulu, yeah uthi-ke ujealous nge-Kaizer Chiefs, uthi futhi uyayizonda i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke explainile ukuthi why. But I think when you have the biggest buzz in the country, every corner bakhuluma ngawo, I think it would make sense ukuthi abanye abantu banga-understand because of you the biggest thing in the country. But Kaizer Chiefs now they owe ama-fans wabo ama-results bafethu inside the field of play. They can't hide
from the fact that they are the biggest team in terms of fan base, i-success egroundini iyafuneka nayo bafowethu. So lezi zinto lezi zihambe hand in hand, kuzibhalansana. Again, eyi ya indaba yeBafana Bafana bengithi ngeke ngingene kuyo, but-ke kubalulekile ukuthi ngingene kwindaba yeBafana Bafana. Thembinkosi Lorch udlala kahle kakhulu but abamselekthanga for iBafana Bafana. Guess what? Already in the last 4 games ushaya amagoli awu-2 waba nama-assist awu-2, so highly influential laphana ku-Wydad Casablanca. Umdlali ngempela o-exciting kakhulu overall ebholeni laseMorocco. Imagine iMorocco in terms of ibhola, ma-national teams wabo ukuthi yenzani, i-FA yabo yabuild i-system ngempela powerfully, strong. uThembinkosi Lorch udlala kuleyo country leyo and he was one of the biggest stars laphana eligini yabo. Loko kusho lukhulu ukuthi South Africa, they're able to produce world top class talent, but kuya nge-behavior ama-players isikhathi esiningi ukuthi bona baphatha kanjani abanye, nanokuthi bafunani abafana, because abanye bafisa nje izinto ey'bhedayo uma bethole i-spotlight, but kumuntu ngeke umcriticize. Ngeke umcriticize harsh, ungazama ukukha phezulu nje because we've never been famous, so ku-different umuntu mebamba i-fame overall. Umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs uBobby Motaung belaphana ku-DDC team abadlala neMarumo Gallants bezobona abafana. I think leyo nto le inika abafana i-energy ne-motivation ukuthi hawu, ama-big boss ayakwazi ukuze azosibukela, but-ke they could not win the game because i-game ngathi iphele nge-draw. Amanye ama-updates, uGrant Kekana simbonile ngena bafethu replace uKhoza. Sithemba ukuthi injury yakhe ayikho serious laphana uKhoza because iMamelodi Sundowns yamdinga. Kekana-ke nawe ubuya ku-injury, ureplace umuntu vele nawe injured. So uGrant Kekana I think na-32 ne-experience kakhulu ku-professional setup esemzansi, but isithemba ukuthi ilo ukulimala kwaKhoza, if like uzophuma for some time, ngeke kwenza i-defense yabo ibe shake as iMamelodi Sundowns, because uCupido noKhoza badlala kahle kakhulu laphana ku-defense. Khona iplayer leMamelodi Sundowns bafethu uKolisang, ngazi ukuthi niyamkhumbula, wayekhuluma ne-media, urasho ku-media ukuthi ufuna ukuhamba yena kuMamelodi Sundowns because of akayitholi i-game time, babenza iplani-ke bamreleasa. ULena Elokhunjana bafethu ePortugal udlala kahle kakhulu, seze washaya negoli lapha nePortugal, than ukuthi abe la eHlokhunjana eSouth Africa ashawe bench. Udlala sometimes asazi uma kwenze njani, isikhathi esiningi futhi akekho nakuma-match day squad, so into emfrustrate-ile umfana. Beka-excited ukubuya kuMamelodi Sundowns, but mebona ukuthi hayi athi game time ngeke ayithole, uphushe for i-move ukuthi abuyele laphana ePortugal. uYaya Sithole odlalela iBafana Bafana was heavily linked with i-Kaizer Chiefs, ubuyile. Obviously-ke simbonile nalaphana kuBafana Bafana, but kuBafana Bafana he didn't have a good game. Sibonile ukuthi bamreplaceile, but ethimini yakhe uloku uyakora because team yakhe ikwazele ibhece nkusami. I think bashaye 5 goals or so, badlala ne-team nje bayishaya. Naye-ke I think lo muntu lo i-central midfielder singakhohlwa, or futhi udlala ne-DM. So but-ke the last couple of days or weeks sekore 2 goals ethimini. I mean it shows ukuthi i-versatility overall, nanokuthi bese i-team my-attack ukuthi ubasiza kanjani laphana. But yeah, amanye ama-players eSouth Africa, uFrosler, they said he's gonna play laphana, didn't check, but-ke wathinteka kuBafana Bafana ku-national team. Sithemba ukuthi into yakhe ayikho that difficult or complicated overall. Mbuzo-ke ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izo-advance na to the next stage of the competition, kuma-group stages, because ba-desperate bayawadinga ama-group stages. Orlando Pirates izokwazi ukubuya from 3-0, Sundowns-ke ngeke sibuze. Those are the most important questions, ukuthi bazobuya na abafana, nanokuthi bazokwazi ukuperforma kahle eSouth Africa na, ngoba angeke kube lula ngempela. Ziyakhala, zikhalile this weekend bafethu, hayi zikhalile. Orlando Pirates 3, hayi angiyikholwa lento. I mean I think into eyenza ukuthi ngingayikholwa kube nzima, kube i-disbelief engithusile ukuthi they started the season well mebedlala nePolokwane City bakwazi ukuyishaya laphana ku-MTN 80, but after lokho elikini bashawa kayi-2 kulandelana already. Bese sekune-panic around ucoach, njengoba belidwa 3-0 ucoach uzophenika noma angeke aphenike, sobona. But-ke mabangamisela, mina ukukora lese ukukora 4 goals, ungayishaya 3 goals nge-first half or second half, just 1 half ungayishaya 3 goals. Awuma umisele ngempela, attack after attack, attack after attack. But ubani i-striker noma ngithi isiphi i-striker abazosibeka laphana phambili ukuthi sizokwazi ukushaya amagoli or ukuqedelela esigudi nama-movement. That's the struggle. But-ke yeah, sobona. Mina njengoba bengishilo earlier on ukuthi I'm excited to see ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izoshape kanjani since kunama-player amaningi azoba available laphana. Ngicela ukuyibamba la kwamanje, ngithanda ukuthi danko, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Well bafethu, if khona ufuna ukubuza something ofuna ngikhave, feel free ukuthi ubuze and then I'll cover that thing. Danko.